Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix lag in Premiere Pro and make your Adobe Premiere Pro run faster. First thing we're going to do is to go to the Edit tab at the top left, click on Preferences, and let's go to General. From here, we can go to the Media Cache section, and we're going to remove media cache files by clicking on this Delete option, and make sure that you have selected Delete Unused Media Cache Files. Hit OK. And once that's done, let's go to the Media tab right here and make sure that Enable Proxies is unchecked like this. And you're also going to uncheck Automatically Refresh Growing Files like that and click on OK. And the next thing is let's go to the Memory tab and make sure that RAM reserved for other applications is set to the minimum, so you can hover over it and you can go to the left to set it to the minimum, which is usually 3 gigabytes. For example, if your RAM is set to more than 3, you can decrease it to 3 gigabytes so that there will be more RAM available for Premiere Pro, which can help in improving the performance of the app. Once that's done, just click on OK. And the next thing we can do is to change the playback resolution as well. If you have problems or lag with playing back the video, just select the playback resolution at the bottom of the preview video, and we can set it to 1/4 instead of full so that it will have less lag. And we can also set the in to out by going to the start of your video and hitting the I on your keyboard, going to the end of your video and hitting the letter O on your keyboard. And once you have done that, you can go to the Sequence tab at the top left and click on Render In to Out. And that will render the video preview, and once you play it back, it should now be playing back smoothly. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.